Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, do I have squirrels or rats in my attic? Hopefully you have neither, but both roof rats and squirrels have been known to invade people's attics to seek shelter, especially during the winter. Both animals invade your home using similar means. They use overhanging trees or structures to gain access to your roof and then chew their way in. Once inside, they'll cause even more damage to your structure and can reproduce rapidly, so it's very important to find out which pest you're dealing with ASAP. Telling squirrels and roof rats apart is actually really straightforward. First, you want to keep your home activity quiet and listen for scurrying or scratching noises in your walls or attic. Take note of when you're hearing the noises. If you hear most of the activity during the day, you have squirrels. If you hear the activity during the night, you have roof rats. Once you've identified your problem, then remove them with professional grade products like live animal traps or bait. Then seal up their entryways with exclusionary materials like copper mesh or caulk to prevent more rodents from entering again. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Prevent more rodents from invading again. We need to do it again, don't we? Yeah. I was dragging because I was so trying to think of what I was saying beforehand, man. I was working really hard, Don, to get it all in one shot without looking down at the paper again.
That was really,
I'm on the edge. A good try. Thank you.